So I just arrived at my location and I came in and found the towel rack is now broken. Unbelievable. Why did that break off? I have no idea. Well, something else to fix. It's a very heavy towel rack. So I have to figure out why this broke off. Seems like a very strange setup, and it's a pretty big handle. I'm not sure if glue would be the right fix on this or what, but it's kind of odd. I'll check back with you later. So I bought some Loctite to go ahead and glue the towel rack back together, and doesn't have much of a tip to go ahead and use the glue on, but I'm going to go ahead and take these washers, or whatever they're called. I'll unscrew these things and then go ahead and use the Loctite to put the bracket or the towel rack back together. So we'll check back with you later. So I unscrewed them and I found these popped out and fell on the floor. I don't know what those are. That was like probably in the center of the of this little round holder. I don't know how I'm going to get that back in there. So maybe it went on the other side. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm going to go take a stab at, go ahead and glue this together and see how it does. Don't mind the bungee cords around the kitchen dinette table. That's another video. I'm waiting to get some tools. I don't have all of the right tools to make those repairs on the table, so that'll be a different video. But I'll do my best to go ahead and glue this together and see how it goes. So what I did was I purchased one of these drill bits called a Milwaukee Cobalt drill bit at the hardware store, and it's for hard metal. And since I don't have a vise, I just took a couple pieces of wood and put the towel rack in just a couple pieces of wood and used a clamp, and then just used the drill, just holding this together with my hand. I was able to drill out the rivet that was in there and on both ends, and now I'm going to see if I can't get like a little screw or something to put in there on either end. See, it looks pretty clean. And this thing was maybe, this drill bit was maybe about $3.50. So check back with you later. So what I decided to do, since I could not get a self-drilling screw that would go inside of here, I ended up getting a really too small they're just regular, really small screws, and I'm putting a little bit of this E6000 glue inside of here, and attaching this and then the screw on the outside, making sure that it's straight so that I can put it onto the Airstream bathroom door. I already did this side and seems to be holding pretty good. The E6000 is the stuff that I use to fix the wastewater holding tank, and that is doing great. I'm not having any problems whatsoever with it. So I'll go ahead and get moving here to get this glue in here. And oh, and I also use this stuff to fix the floor. So check back with you later. One of the things I'm making sure of is that it lines up exactly to the holes before it dries, so I can move it if it needs to be moved. I can actually move these round little washer type things to make sure that it's perfect. So then we'll just wait for it to dry and then I'll install it. The glue was not working very well, so I'm going to use some Loctite and see if that makes a tighter connection. It did fine over here on this one, so I'm not sure what's going on here, so I'm going to go ahead and use some of the Loctite. And so we'll go ahead and let this dry and see how it does. So it looks like the Loctite and the E6000 was pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. I let this sit for 24 hours and cure like the directions said, and now I'm going to go ahead and install it on the bathroom door. See how it holds up going down the road, and I'll keep you updated, but for now it seems to be holding up. So thanks for watching.